Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a Chanel bag unboxing for you. I picked up a new bag from the 25B collection, which is the pre-fall winter 2025, and I cannot wait to share with you which bag I got, why I got it. It is honestly the prettiest bag, and I haven't been so in love with a Chanel bag for a long time. You know, I was trying to remember which was the last Chanel bag that I purchased, and I think the last bag I got from Chanel was the pink sequined bag that I received for my birthday, but that wasn't even a bag that I bought myself because it was a gift. So actually the last bag I bought myself was probably the tweed Kelly bag. But yeah, it's been a while. Wow, it's been such a long time, and as soon as I saw this bag on the window, so that's a bit of a giveaway if you've watched my shopping vlog, but as soon as I saw it on the window, I knew that was the bag for me, because I had this initial reaction where I saw the bag and I was speechless and I went, oh, you know. And that's how bags should make you feel. So yeah, let's unbox my newest Chanel bag together. That feeling of opening a brand new Chanel bag. So I picked this up yesterday and I can't wait to see it again. It's so nicely packed. Okay, sticker is ripped. Oh, there's another one. Hold on. Maya did such a wonderful job wrapping this. I can see a little peek here. So this is the dust bag, and in here is my new baby. So much paper, right? Oh my god. Me and Maya were actually talking, and he said he hates wrapping up bags. Alright, so here it is. Oh, more stickers. Come on. Well, this unwrapping didn't go as planned. So messy, so much tissue paper and so many stickers. So here she is. Let me remove this felt because it's kind of ruining the look, right? So here it is, my new mini rectangle in tweed. And oh, what do you guys think? Isn't she so cute? In this color combo as well. This is definitely my favorite bag from this collection, but to be honest, there were so many good bags. However, this definitely stole my heart, and I just loved the color combination. It is so me. Black, baby pink and white. Also such classic Chanel colors. We know Chanel is black and white, but also Chanel does love a black and baby pink combo. It's very chic, very Chanel again. And we do also have the very classic square pattern. We all know one of the most iconic Chanel items is the tweed jacket. I've always loved the texture and always the interesting blending of colors. I have seen many beautiful tweed bags, but sometimes I find them, depending on the color combination, I find them quite difficult to style. So I was waiting for the right one. Chanel mini rectangles are one of my favorite bags to buy from Chanel, and they're just so classic and easy to use. It is such an easy bag to use, so versatile, so practical. For a mini bag, it actually fits quite a lot. It fits, I would say, the same amount as a small classic double flap, but at the same time, the price point of these is still quite good. Well, they have increased significantly since I last purchased a mini rectangle. So I think last time I purchased a mini rectangle, they were about 3,200. Now a classic mini rectangle in leather is 4,200. However, this one was slightly cheaper because it's in tweed, and tweed bags are always slightly cheaper. So I paid £3,910 for this little baby, and it is still leather lined. So if you open it up, we do have black lambskin leather, and I really want to show you the tweed up close because I think this tweed is so special. So I have black tweed with black lace And then we do have this baby pink that almost looks like cotton candy. It looks like little clouds on top of the black tweed. And then we do have the white pattern, which is actually, if you pay attention up close, it's little sequins. And what I love about these sequins is that they're not too in your face. I do have another tweed bag with like a similar check pattern. Well, that's my Kelly, Chanel Kelly, the black and white one, and it does have sequins, but the sequins on my other tweed bag are quite shiny and sparkly, whereas these ones just catch the light beautifully. They're not too in your face, so it's such a great everyday bag. Yeah, I had to have it. It is with champagne gold hardware. I didn't want to miss out because this was the very last piece that they had, and although I was waiting for another bag, I decided to get this one. I just couldn't leave it behind. I knew this one will sell if I didn't get it, because tweed bags from Chanel are so popular, especially in the mini rectangles, and they don't very often do really amazing tweeds, especially in a mini rectangle. They do them in the larger classic double flaps, but in the minis I don't see them that often, and they always sell so quick. They're always so popular. So I really wanted to add a mini rectangle in a beautiful tweed, and I think I received a comment on my shopping vlog. I think someone mentioned, oh Maria, it's a beautiful bag, but it might be a bit tricky to style because you can only wear it with like certain colors, and that's right, but I do wear a lot of black, so I think this will actually end up being one of my most worn bags. I did want to add another black bag to my collection, but maybe with a bit of a twist, with maybe a little bit something special. And when I saw this one, I was like, yeah, that's a great color combo. I can wear it with white, grey, black, baby pink obviously, and denim as well will go. So looking at my wardrobe, I thought this will be a great addition to my collection, and I can even wear it in summer because of the baby pink. Although it's tweed, yes, of course, it does give more fall winter vibes. It is the most perfect fall winter bag, but I can pull it off in summer because of the white sequins and the baby pink. So yeah, I adore her. She's the cutest little thing. And let me open it up. So we do have champagne gold hardware, the chains in leather with champagne gold hardware. It has stuffing inside, and yeah, it is just plain black on the inside. We do have the chip as well. I'm so excited to wear this one in the winter, especially with my long Chanel black coat, a baby pink top. And actually this is my favorite shade of pink, like milkshake, baby pink. So yeah, I can't wait to play around with it and style it up. When I filmed my 25B collection review video, I'll link it above in case you've missed it, I did mention another bag that I was eyeing in the same tweed. I instantly fell in love with this tweed when browsing the collection online, and then again when I saw it on the window, I knew that would be my bag. But yeah, when I reviewed the collection, I did show you this style, and I wasn't sure which one to go for, but yeah, as soon as I saw this, I knew this would be the one. It's a classic mini. I love my classics. And yeah, as much as I loved the other style with the top handle, it was also a lot more expensive because of the charms, I think, as well. So it was 4,750, I think, whereas this was under 4,000, and it's the same tweed and it's a classic mini. So at the end I decided to go for the classic. What do you guys think? Do you think I made the right choice? Also, if you've watched my shopping vlog, I did mention, and also in my recent updated wishlist video, I did mention that I was waiting for another mini rectangle in brown velvet. That bag hasn't arrived yet, and I asked my SA, what's going on, do you think you will receive it? And my SA couldn't confirm. So they did receive the brown velvet, but in the pearl crush. and the Pearl Crush one had the crystal bow, which I didn't like. It was too much. It looked too eveningy, so I declined that one. I wanted the plain classic mini rectangle in the brown velvet, but we don't know if that's coming. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna miss on this one. So I'll grab this and I'll still wait for the brown mini. I would still love to hear from you in the comments which one you would go for. Would you go for the tweed mini or the brown velvet? I know they're very different bags, but I don't know, I think I love both of them. So yeah, let's see if that one will come. If not, I'm so happy with this new addition to my collection. A tweed mini. Oh, I love Chanel tweed. Chanel tweed always feels so special, and it's a unique pattern, so you won't see this bag anywhere really. Like, how many people would have the exact same bag? And that's why I love tweed bags. They feel just a bit more special and unique, and they stand out from all the other leather bags that we see all the time, and that's why I wanted to add a tweed in my collection. So there we go. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Did you guess which bag I got before I unboxed it? Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye!